Hello and welcome friends. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically download all your IndiaMart inquiries in your online account to this Google Sheet automatically. So this Google Sheet will automatically download all the inquiries either manually or on a schedule. To get this sheet, you have to open this website guys, itbx.in/imart. Please fill in your contact details, name, email address, company and phone number. When you do this, you are going to get an email like this. Thank you for your recent inquiry. We hope like this. And here you can click and download the sheet. When you click on this, click and make a copy. So just click and make a copy. And when you click on this, a new copy of this sheet will be created in your Gmail account. Okay. So now before we can download the inquiries, you need to make certain settings. So let us come to the settings page. So first of all, you need to put in the registered mobile number. So what is the registered mobile number that you have on the IndiaMart site? And you can find this under the my.indiamart.com, your account. And also they provide you a mobile key, which is also known as the CRM key. So this also you will find on my.indiamart.com or take their support. So here you can put in the start date from which date you want the inquiries to be downloaded and end date up to which date. So for example, I can say I want to start from say 15th of May. Okay. So first I will show you how to download these inquiries manually. So let us do that. So I've selected the date here. I go to inquiries here. So friends, on this page, just click on CUIT box and click on run manually. Click on continue. Select your Gmail account. So you have to be logged into a Gmail account. Okay. And in case you are using a free gmail.com account to do all of this, then you will get another page with a warning. So on that page, you will have to click on advanced. Okay. And then it will say go to COIT box something, click on that, and then you will come to this page. I am using a paid Gmail account that is known as a G Suite or Google Workspace account. That is why I am not getting that page. So in case you get an additional warning page, so this is basically for automation to allow this sheet to run automatically. Click on allow. This only needs to be done once. Okay, so this needs to be done once only. So for gmail.com accounts, you will get an additional warning. So you'll have to click on advanced, click on go to, it will say this is unsafe, this and that, because just want to ensure to tell you that you know what you're doing, and this sheet is only there to copy these inquiries from IndiaMart website and nothing else. So after you have done this, now we'll have to click on this button again, run manually, because the very first time when you do it, it doesn't run because it goes into the authorization mode. Now just click run manually. And as you can see, it shows that 123 records have been extracted. So 123 records have been extracted right here. Okay. So I have whited out the mobile number and sender for now. And as you can see, so this is extracted all the records, all the necessary records for you. So now another thing, you can put a timer here so that you can extract the contacts on a hourly basis, on every 2 hours or every 4 hours or every 6 hours. It's totally up to you. So you can do that. And again, this is the hourly trigger. So just select the hourly trigger, click on CUIT box, click on setup trigger. Now this sheet will run every 4 hours and it will download all the new inquiries, so all the new inquiries will come at the top. Okay, so you can see those inquiries. So all the inquiries will get downloaded automatically. The older inquiries will go down. Okay, and similarly, instead of a hourly setup, you can delete this trigger also. You can also put a daily trigger. Okay, so you can also put a daily trigger. So you can click on say maybe at what time of the day you want to get this inquiries, like maybe at 8 a.m. every day. So between 8 and 9 the inquiries will be downloaded. So it will not run exactly at 8 a.m. So please note that it will run between 8 and 9. So we select 10, it will run between 10 and 11. Okay. So whatever time you want to select this and you have to remove this. So if the hourly trigger is selected, then only hourly will work. If you don't want hourly, you want to select daily, remove the value from hourly, and now I click on here, setup trigger. So now it says daily trigger has been set up at 8. So this means that this will run between 8 and 9. So sometimes it may run at 8, 8:30, 8:45, or even 8:59. Okay. And as you can see here, so this will start working completely automatically. Okay. So another thing guys, that in case you need any support, so you can see the instructions here. If you click on help, so as you can see, these are the detailed instructions. So you can look at these detailed instructions anytime. And furthermore, you know that we are into complete automation for entrepreneurs to help them run their business, no matter how complex, from anywhere with just a smartphone. So please do check out our other courses like Technology for Business, WhatsApp Marketing, and a couple of free technology courses are there or are online on our website. So just click on these links and you will be able to see the details. So this is our signature program called Tech Mastery. You can play the video and see what other technology we are developing, and a lot of interesting videos I come up with. So this is my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will find crazy videos. So I do a lot of sessions. So a lot of automation, as you can see, complete automation for your business. So thank you, and I hope you find this useful. I look forward to your comments. I look forward to your comments and suggestions and feedback. Hope you find this useful.